Just look at the gorgeous flowers behind me. This is a Japanese magnolia. It's a deciduous shrub, but it actually can grow more in a tree form, getting up to 25 feet tall by 25 feet wide. And this tree has broken its dormancy. It's gotten enough chilling hours, that's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit for 600 hours. It's met that requirement, and now it has come out of dormancy and gone into full bloom. Just gorgeous as the days have warmed up. These trees come in colors from a dark purple to light purple and pink and a creamy white. Now this is a deciduous shrub, so that means that it will drop its leaves in the wintertime, and it'll bud out in the spring, early spring, and then the leaves will come out after that. This is a very easy care tree, can be used as a foundation plant around your home because it is small. And boy, does it bring some gorgeous color to your gardens. Very popular tree. It's called Japanese magnolia. However, it originated in Southwest China. There are several varieties that you can find in local nurseries. To name a few, there's Anne, there's John and Jane, Betty, and Stellata is the creamy white. This is a great time of year to go ahead and plant them. Wintertime, fall, into the spring. You don't want to probably plant during the heat of the summer, but if you get these in around your home, next spring you can expect gorgeous blooms like this. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU Ag Center.